Hey there! If you can't find your UDF or you want to create your first UDF, here I will show you from the beginning. Right-click inside this folder location, then click New and click Excel. Open the Excel, then save as the file. Change the file type into Excel add-in. Then change the name. As you can see here, UDF isn't yet appearing because it has to be activated first. To activate it, click File, then click Option, then click Add-ins. Click Add-ins and click Go. Here is the list of add-ins which you can activate. In case you can't find it, click the Browse button, and there you will see the add-in you created. Now that it is activated, it is now appearing in this location. That is all. Thanks for watching.